Hello, my dear beautiful friends. So, welcome to our enriching yoga session where we will delve into the art of Pranayama, breathing techniques, powerful yoga poses, and profound meditation. As we embark on this journey together, let's embrace the spiritual essence within us and create a space of tranquility and harmony. And to conclude our yoga session, a delightful treat awaits: a cup of nourishing masala vegan chai to warm both body and soul. So, my dear beautiful friends, let's begin this beautiful experience. Namaste. Forward, arch back, muscles, take a nice refreshing breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5. Interlock the fingers and arch back, arm up. Release. Now change the side. Now bend your right leg, hold the foot of the opposite hand, look back to the shoulder. Other leg forward, feet together. Inhale, arms forward. The last round without variations. Inhale, open arms in the chest. Okay, relax the child pose. You have improved. Shoulder. 10, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can feel the stretch throughout the body. Feel more grounded. Release. Left arm up. All the discomforts make me more stronger. Okay, release. Feel the grace. Feel the power opening. Nice pressure for the tummy. If you finish, relax in the child pose. Standing forward bend. Nice stretch for ender of the left side, for ender of the 5 seconds more. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Exhale down. Inhale up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Oats is not good for environment.
No, oats is not good. But there was something, I really said something about this. I forgot now something. I thought you speak a totally different language. That's why I was like, yeah, but I didn't pay attention to your accent.
You have to speak something like you have.
I'm not sure if your feet are in the video. So
What?
I'm not sure if your feet are in the video.
This,
The feet,
this is not semen. Feet.
feet, they are in the video now.
We all feel them too.
Hey guys, how many people here can dance on the street alone?
Can or won't?
Can.
Can,
How many
I-
people can dance on the street for 1 minute your own?
I never
Can you-
tried, but I think I can.
What dance? My own dance.
Dance doesn't matter whatever you do. Can you do it? Dance and you put yourself in the camera and dance like I do myself. Okay? Do it and send it.
Yeah, but you're famous in Basel for your videos.
It's not me. I just want to know how much you are brave.
I do the headstand with you, that's brave enough.
Welcome, dear yoga souls, to this moment of serene relaxation after your invigorating, beautiful spiritual yoga practice. As you settle into a comfortable position, let's take a few deep breaths together, inhaling positivity and exhaling any remaining tension. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath like the soothing waves of the ocean, flowing in and out effortlessly. With each inhale, envision a warm golden light entering your body, filling you with confidence, optimism, and positivity. As you exhale, release any doubts, worries, or negative thoughts that may still linger. Visualize yourself standing strong, grounded like a mountain after completing those empowering yoga poses. Feel the energy coursing through your muscles, a testament to your physical strength and vitality. As your body unwinds, imagine any remaining knots of stress dissolving, leaving you feeling light and free. Now turn your attention to your mind and notice how it's like a clear, calm lake, reflecting the beauty around it. You are in control of your thoughts, choosing to nurture a sense of happiness, joy, and freedom. Embrace the optimism that arises from within, a radiant light that guides your path. Picture yourself stepping into the future, ready to face any challenges that come your way. With newfound courage, you stride forward with self-esteem, self-love, and self-care as your companions. Feel the weight of fear lifted off your shoulders, replaced by the exhilarating sensation of being truly free. As you continue to breathe, let the flame of motivation burn brightly within you. You are capable of achieving anything you set your heart and mind to. Embrace the journey ahead with open arms, knowing that you possess the strength to overcome obstacles and create a life of abundance. Now take a moment to appreciate the stillness and tranquility you have cultivated within yourself. Feel the warmth of positivity radiating from your core, infusing every cell with vitality. Carry this serene energy with you as you rise from this meditation, knowing that you are a beacon of light and positivity in your own life and in the lives of those around you. And whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm, confidence into the world around you. You are empowered, optimistic, and prepared to embrace whatever challenges may come with a heart full of self-esteem, self-love, and courage. Keep smiling, keep shining. Namaste.